She must make some money even finger it. You understand me? Me not busy if you don't want to come for me. It's the truth. The way me hear you tell her, say you must say I got box her because she dey on phone with man. If she dey on phone with man in front of you when you get freedom, that means she's not perfect. You understand me? So reach out to your baby mother. She deserve it. You can't make one mistake or one rubbish where you think she do. All if she bring 10 man in the house, the house still there. Shorty heart is broken no matter what she say. That you now need to reconcile. I saw Kartel, I saw I'm in a business if you want to give me a collaboration. Where?
What about Papi?
I don't sure yet, you know. I don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll talk about if Sidem cheated on Kartel while he was in prison. Also, Kartel's baby mother, Shorty, her heart is broken. At least that's what Queenie says. Also, he gave a list, but he didn't give a list of the top 5 lyrical artists, and he never mentioned Popcaan or Massacre. We're going to talk about that in the next few minutes. But before we jump into that, if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Stay tuned. So the other day, Skilly Bang was interviewed. I think it was at the BET Awards, and then somebody else asked him again on another interview to give his top 5 best dancehall artists, and he listed, Alkaline, Kartel himself, and a few others. And they asked Kartel this same question, and this was Vybz Kartel's response.
Who are the top 5 lyricists? Now we know more sensible people are going to say Vybz Kartel is number 1. So we take out you out of it. So you're number 1. So we want 4 more from you plus an honorable mention, which will have been number 6. So the 5. Who you would have said in a dancer? Remember, you know in there, because you're the goat. So you can't in that part.
Alright, I have to put. What we are talking from in my time to now, I have to put.
Yeah, man.
Labas. I put Labas. Obviously, I have to put Skilly Bang in it. Simply because his style different. Labas remind me of me without being me.
Yeah?
Not how much it does.
Does.
What else now?
Get no more wine, so it does.
Yeah, man. I don't know if people listen to that youth about what I put Sassy in it. You know what I mean? Because we are talking from my time forward.
Your time forward up, yeah.
Put Sassy in it. That's about Chess.
Chess.
What else we could have said now? It's a man very skeptic, and I just give it praises, so,
Sure. Top lyricists we are talking.
Yeah, man, so I'm going to give her praises, so. What I put Donia in it?
Did it and Donia?
Yeah, what I put him in it. How much that we got?
We're going 4, 4.
4.
5 now.
5. What's what I say? And this will be the honorable mention?
Yeah.
Oh no. I like the whole I look at you, the most of them, but like
yeah.
Crap and sinful and what's sinful name again? Raja?
Raja, why?
Bad you craft them, bad, said 450 bad. Who would I give the honorable mention? Let me so answer. What you got? So answer. Oh, yo, Pablo YG Bato.
Some people were saying that they thought that Vybz Kartel would include Alkaline. Now, come on. Be logical here. If you have an enemy or somebody that you don't talk to or about, why you go beat them up? Him not gonna do it. If Alkaline not gonna do it, Kartel was not gonna do it. And I just say go. But me thinking that at least mention Massacre or even Popcaan. But this is the other part of the interview now that puzzles me. I wonder if Kartel and Popcaan are playing games with us. If it make me think that not talk, and then now he go surprise me at Freedom Street. Because when they ask Kartel, you know, if he's showing, if Popcaan will show up at the interview, if Popcaan will show up December 31st, this was his response.
First one you hear upon the show now who?
Spice.
And enough from Portmore again. Spice and Portmore, nothing from Portmore. You see me?
What about Papi?
I don't sure yet, you know. I don't know.
Time will tell.
If they do good in a class, they never copy. But, you know, so, yeah, dog, but yeah. But, you know, we never can. As time goes by, when we hear the lineup. But hear me, I say, I can't tell the people them this. And I'm not bag a man thing for me show. Yeah, if everybody get them eye, they get them.
Everybody want to run on the show like a Super Bowl.
No, man, me and one of them man who can run on for nothing for me, man. Nothing, man. I talk about not show me change, man.
Vibes Kartel in concert.
Yeah, man. We give everybody them hype and them time, you know. Yeah, so when we there prison, when they are road, I run up and down and they all board. I'm checking no hype. No man can't run in for my hype, daddy. That now go on. No. That now go on. Yeah, that now go on. No,
I love that. We love that.
But somebody are road, we not running, man. You can't see me thing on running, man. You have to stay far and hold up your hands up.
Yeah. From we.
You notice what Vibes Kartel say? When me there in prison, on the road, about the place that they could not have indirectly, he must say, I might turn now. I don't know, bag of man, I'm going to punish you. You understand? But my other thing is maybe Popcaan and don't sound a problem because Kartel, you know, he did a start and as try to say, you never know what can happen. So, me want to see if he might go just surprise me and make Popcaan run out on the stage because you know they have a couple songs together. He can't not perform them, you know. But I don't know, something weird is going on because a Kartel one of people when come and say me not trust Popcaan. So I don't know. But tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Now, Miss Queenie has her take on the whole Vibes Kartel and Sidem and Tanisha. She's saying that she thinks Sidem probably get somebody touch up the bums when time Kartel did their jail. So that means that she's perfect. And if you forgive Tanisha, even if they not there back, if you bigger massive friend come out, everybody and their mama get yelled by Kartel. And can't at least say big up and baby mother. I'm gonna run her for that, you understand? I'm gonna Queenie me used to raise her, but you know, sometimes you know so right, but this time I actually agree with her. But check out this and tell me one thing. But before we get into the clips though, if it's your first time on this channel, please leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel for the latest. Check this out.
Big up Shorty. I like when put her in the comments, but that's still not good enough. It's slow me see Lisa hype on the camera, but our time I go come. Yeah man, our time I go come, man. You see the moment he makes Sidem and Shorty meet, because remember Shorty a bad girl, you know. So maybe she'll play ardent, you know. But your heart not for play ardent. All in your body I play ardent, your heart now. You go to prison now, and you be a father, they are prison, then you go visit him couple times, and you don't know if he might come out and then them say this, and then you see him they are prison, and you're the one side, and you just watch people and meet him. Shorty heart is broken, no matter what she said. If I ever for reminisce when she conceived the first pitney, the second pitney, or the third pitney. If I ever for say the pitney them they do me this, or the pitney them do me that. You know I need to reconcile. I saw have Kartel, I saw have. I'm not busy if you want to give me a collaboration. But when I like, I mean, reach out to your baby mother. She deserve it. You can't make one mistake or one rubbish where you think she do. All if she bring 10 man in the house, the house still there. The man them not go with the house. And I like, man too unfair. Man too unfair. You figure Shorty are bringing back the world, so you respect your baby mother and care about that. You understand me? And breathe to them at the same time, get a triplet. Come on, she breathe up 3 pitney one time, you see? And when her pussy would start swell now, she would know. You understand me? Because I remember when the man them get the honeymoon in the first 6 weeks, 8 weeks, so when them come to 2 months for hard. Yeah, I said, Jesus Christ, if me did know. So put fun and joke aside now, Vibes Cartel. Two things now. So me there kiss your ass and the one side I go like you know see me. Me change my mind. Me not bother run it down for no song. This Shorty I bring in. Everybody in my marriage. So me in a year follow too. This Shorty I bring in. Shorty your baby mother. Lisa fuck fire, see them supposed to fuck. See them couldn't keep that the pussy there alone from she come and meet you till now. She must make some money even finger it. You understand me? Me not busy if you don't want to come for me. It's the truth. The way me hear you tell her say you must say I go back her because she dey on phone with man. If she dey on phone with man in front of you when you get freedom, that means she's not perfect. You understand me? So I think Shorty need little more acknowledgement. I want to Shorty pave the way make you make so much money and make you be million year before you go to prison and Edward after. What you said the girl have power pussy.
Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Do you think that Shorty deserve a big up after how much years? Do you think that Popcaan and Kartel secretly a friend but then just a go on trollery because they want see we reaction for December 31st? Or you feel that they have beef and not quiet? Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. As usual, if this is your first time on this channel, I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the latest updates, and I'll see you next time. Bye!